Here we are in the next release of the Notes 8 client, and we'll point out a few of the new capabilities we've been working on. First, we're making it easier for you to manage your mail. We now have a visual indicator to show how close you are to your quota. To help you manage that mail quota even better, we now include integration with Lotus Quicker. This allows you to easily open files directly from a Quicker library or add Quicker links to email messages. As you can see the Quicker link at the bottom of this email message. You can also move received attachments to the Quicker library. Let's go to the calendar and create an online meeting. Here you can see you have an option to select the type of online meeting. Whether you choose to manage your own meetings with SameTime Web Conferencing or to choose a service with SameTime Unite, both are planned to be available within the Notes client. And you can pre-configure your conference information so that it will automatically appear in your meeting invitation. Now, one of the coolest new features in Notes is the widget palette. Widgets allow you to easily extend and customize your Notes client. Here's the widget palette. Let's open the clock widget. This is actually a Google gadget. Creating new widgets is very simple. All you have to do is select the widget wizard. You can create widgets from any website, newsfeed, notes view, or Google gadget. In this case, we'll select a Google gadget. You are immediately brought to the Google website where you can select the particular gadget you want to add to the sidebar. Let's choose the weather. You simply click the Add to Sidebar button, which means it's always available to you within Notes. Let's change this to see the weather in Orlando. I'll type in the word Orlando, and there you have the weather in Orlando. We can also create widgets by example. Let's go to a Notes application, and if you click on the widget wizard again, it automatically determines the necessary configuration. Now you have access to this custom Notes view in the sidebar. Widgets can also be distributed through an online catalog or even through email. Here, Heather emailed a stock widget, and you can take that attachment and drag and drop it right into the sidebar. When you double click on it, you have access to that stock information. Policies can be set up to prohibit or restrict how these widgets can be distributed in your enterprise. Another capability we have is that widgets can be configured to support live text. Live text allows a widget to scan any Notes document for a pattern and then provide actions on that pattern. Notice in this email that the live text fields are highlighted. In the example, when you click on the stock details, you get that stock information. That stock widget installed earlier automatically supported live text. And you can have widgets configured for selectable text too. For example, you can select the word Atlanta. Right-click and you'll get an immediate newsfeed using Atlanta as the search criteria. What's powerful is that we provide the relevant information in the context of what you are doing. You can also create widgets to provide in-context business data. So for example, you could have a document with customer numbers, part numbers, or invoice numbers. And you could have a widget that connects to a back-end web service that provides that in-context business data where the user is. Now this was just a few of the new features and functions in the next release of the Notes 8 client.